Okay, we have a real estate and React Native app for some reason. I guess there's some code associated with this. We have some branding, which is nice. I haven't seen this in a while. Then colors, typography, components, a bunch of them, not too many icons. So it started promising. Only the name is a bit confusing because Remax is one of the biggest real estate agencies. Kind of light. I can imagine this working with different pictures. I think the choice of like minimalistic pictures doesn't really help you. These are way too small. I'm even like mirroring this on the phone and it doesn't look that sexy. I'm gonna tell you that while the UX is there, it's just too simple. And I don't know, this custom kind of navigation, which for some reason still has a background, when you scroll doesn't make too much sense. I don't want to dismiss it totally, but this is way too small. Why would you make it so small? Like you can make it freaking big. This is where you're gonna live, like properly. I feel like there's just too much work and you have better alternatives. It feels like a webby kit, not necessarily like a iOS app, if I'm to be honest. Yeah, I would actually do not recommend this kit.